So what is a niche? Niche or niche simply means a very specific category or the market that you are focusing on. Finding or choosing a niche is a huge stumbling block for many people as they fear they are not experienced enough or have very little knowledge. Just don't overthink it. Nobody's an expert at the beginning. I'll suggest some niches to make it easier for you. Or by the way, you can call it a niche or niche, whatever that you're comfortable with. I just call it niche. Generally, there are three huge markets to choose your niche from: health, wealth, relationships. From these three big markets, you would have to narrow it down to a specific topic that is a sub niche. In case of health, we can narrow it down to weight loss, fitness, diet. In wealth, we can narrow it down to marketing, passive income, stock trading, cryptos. And in relationships, it could be dating, marriage, parenting, and so on. We can go even deeper and niche down or narrow down it further to get into something specific. For example, in health, let's say we pick diet. It can be narrowed down to paleo diet, keto diet, vegan diet, etc. In wealth, if you pick passive income category, it can be making money with YouTube, affiliate marketing, passive income with blogging, and so on. In relationships, if we pick dating, for example, we can narrow it down to how to talk to girls, how to propose, gifting to partners, pickup strategies, and so on. I think you got the idea now. The more you narrow the market down, the more specific niche you can target, which has less competition and more profitability. You can go ahead and find something that you like or have some interest in because you are going to be creating content in that niche for a long time. If you're still having trouble deciding your niche, then I have some suggestions that I know will do well. This suggestion is based on YouTube as a traffic source. So if you take YouTube, you can create a lot of content on YouTube, right? You can create software tutorials, WordPress plugin tutorials, online app tutorials, review of all of the above. For example, you can learn how to use a specific video editor and then create tutorials on the go. You learn something and you create a video on that something, which should help a lot of beginners out there. In the description, you can give your affiliate link to the video editing software, and you can even maybe let people know that you will do editing for them as a service. You see, the potential to make money with this is endless. My niche is online business, that is helping other people make money online with affiliate marketing, to be specific. And I make money by recommending them courses, systems, software, services that makes their life easier and helps them reach their end goal.